We've tamed the multipath channel. Our single signal can now survive the physics of the city. But a cell tower serves thousands. If they all transmit at once, it's a catastrophic collision. To prevent this chaos, engineers must divide the ultimate wireless resources, time, and frequency. Systems like GSM combine frequency channels with fixed time slots. Users are kept perfectly isolated, but look at these slots. Rigid scheduling wastes massive capacity. Then came CDMA. Destroy the grid. Users transmit simultaneously, multiplying their data by distinct spreading codes. In the air, these signals collide and merge into a single chaotic waveform. At the receiver, multiplying by the exact same code recovers the desired signal, while interfering users average out to zero. Modern cellular networks took the flexibility of OFDM and turned it into intelligent resource allocation. If user A hits a deep fade on a subcarrier, the scheduler can reassign that resource to user B, who has a stronger channel. We don't just fight physics anymore. We exploit it. We've mastered time, frequency, and code. But what if we add more antennas? Next time, MIMO.